Hi there, I'm Josef Botnar and welcome to another C++ video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to talk about char and string data type. Character data type is used to store characters. It is an integer data type actually. You might be wondering why. This is because characters are internally represented by numbers. When a character is stored in memory, it is actually the numeric code that is stored. When the computer is instructed to print the value on the screen, it displays the character that corresponds with the numeric value. So as you can see on the screen, for 65 numeric value corresponds a character data type. For 66 it corresponds the B letter. For 67 it corresponds C letter, and so on. The most commonly used method for encoding characters is ASCII, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Character data type occupy 8 bits of memory. The value assigned can be one character enclosed in single quotes or a number. Let's do a demo using Visual Studio. So let's remove those. And I'm going to declare on this line a letter char variable, and I'm going to initialize this letter char variable with 67. And on this line, let's display the result of letter variable on in console. So I'm going to type C equal and letter variable. And on this line I'm going to initialize the letter actually to change its value with 68, and let's see what we gonna to get in console using cout object. And D equal, and here comes the letter char variable. Okay, let's add here the L letter. Okay, as you can see, if you want to declare a character data type variable, you must declare first the data type, and you must write this text char. Some people pronounce char, some char. For me it's easier to say char, followed by the name of a variable, in this case letter. Let's compile this application. Okay, and let's run our code. As you can see, we get in console the C letter and the D letter, and not the value as I assigned the letter variables. In this case 67, and another case 68. So for 67 correspond C letter, and for 68 corresponds D capital letter. So as you can see, the computer is going to store in memory the numeric value, the numeric code, but it displays the character that corresponds with a numeric value. Let's display a text, a word, using the character data type. Let's see how that is going to work. So I'm going to declare on this line 3 char variables. A with y value assigned, B equal E, and C equal S. And as you can see, the char data type variable can be assigned with a character, with one character enclosed in a single quote, yes, or a number, how you can see before, without single quotes enclosed. Okay, let's display the value for those char variables for A, for B, for C. Okay, let's run again our application. Yeah, here you go. We get in console this yes word using three char variables, as you can see on those lines. But we can do this much simpler if you're going to use string data type. So because a char variable can store only one character in its memory location, another type is needed for a variable to be able to hold an entire string, an entire word, or entire sentence. So standard C++ provides something called string class that allows the programmer to create a string type variable. The first step in using the string class is to include a string header file here on the top of our code. And I'm going to declare on this line a string variable, actually two string variables. And on this line, I'm going to initialize those string variable for first name. Well, let's do here a change. Yeah. So first name initialized with my first name, Joseph. And second name initialized with my surname, Botnar. And let's display in console those variables. And I'm going to use this text, first name, and here I'm going to type the first name string variable, and on the another line I'm going to write this text, second name, and this variable, string variable, second name. Yeah. Okay. Now all it's all right, good. As you can see, you must declare first the data type, and you must write this word string before the name of variables. And after the data type, you must write the name of variable. In my case, two variables, first name and second name. Let's compile this application again, and let's run our code to see what we get in console. Here you go. As you can see, we get the value for the first name variable Joseph, and the second and the value for the second name string variable Botnar. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye.